A very good morning to our headmistress, senior assistants, teachers, and my fellow pupils. In conjunction with our English week, our assembly will be conducted in English. The online assembly of SJKC Thung Hon Tg.Tualang will begin now. Stand straight. Our assembly will proceed with the singing of National Anthem, Para State Anthem, and our school song. Next, let's recite the principles of Rukun Negara.
A. Kepercayaan kepada Tuhan, kesetiaan kepada Raja dan Negara, keluhuran perlembagaan, ketaatan undang-undang, kesopanan dan kesusilaan, 信奉上苍，忠于军国，维护宪法，遵从法治，培养德行。
Now, I would like to invite the teacher on duty this week to give her speech.
A very good morning to our headmistress, senior assistants, teachers, and pupils. Today, I'm going to share with you about drug addicted. What is drug? Drugs are chemical substances which have an effect on our body. There are two types of drugs. One is legal and the second one is illegal. The legal drugs are basically the medicine which we use in our everyday use for various problems in our body. But the illegal drugs are the ones that are used to get into the state of being drunk. The illegal drugs can make somebody feel high and quite relaxing, but in the long run effect, it can damage their brain and body. In many cases, the illegal drugs can cause death. So, I would like to request you all to stay away from drugs and always reach your parents and family to resolve any problems in your life. Drugs may look attractive initially, but it has the capacity to destroy the future of a person. We should say complete no to the drugs. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Without further ado, I would like to invite Senior Assistant of Core Curriculum, Miss Chia, to give her speech.
A very good morning to our headmistress, Madam C, Senior Assistant Teachers and Pupils. Sports do us good in many respects. It goes without saying that taking exercises can build up our physical strength. In collective sports like volleyball, basketball, or football, we will learn the importance of cooperation. While taking part in sports games, we will try our best to win and arouse ourselves the competitive spirit. Sports can also help us rest after a period of exhausting work. Sport can make us healthy both physically and psychologically. It is also a good way for people to know each other and can promote friendship between people. So long as we are carefully enough, sport can do us nothing but good. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Chia. Moving on, I would like to invite Senior Assistant of Student Affairs, Madam Ng, to give her speech.
A very good morning to the headmistress, senior assistant, teachers and pupils. Today I'm going to share some knowledge about the dragon boat racing. It may be hard to believe, but the Dragon Boat Festival was actually banned during the Culture Revolution due to Mok Zedong's war on traditional culture. Fortunately, this festival was being brought back later. Boats vary in length and typically sit up to 20 paddles. Each boat has a drummer who plays an important role as the dragon heartbeat. The drum beat synchronizes the place of paddle, so with sound cooperation, each team furiously head toward the finish line in an energetic showdown. Before the race begins, there is a traditional practice of tooting the dragon's eye. According to the tradition, tooting the eyes brings the dragon boat to life. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Ng. Next, I would like to invite Senior Assistant of Curriculum, Madam Kong, to give her speech.
A very good morning to our headmistress, Madam C, senior assistants, teachers, and all my fellow pupils. Dear pupils, we are currently at the last week of first semester as outlined in the academic calendar. Our first semester break will start from 4th June until 12th June. Children will get to enjoy 9 days of school holidays. A kind reminder to all of you. Please complete your holiday homework and do not wait until the last minute. Besides that, you have just ended your comprehensive assessment last week. So, you can identify your weakness and do more exercise on that particular topic to improve yourself. Please fully utilize the holidays to have a good rest. Lastly, Happy Dragon Boat Festival and happy holidays to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Kong. Now, I would like to invite our headmistress, Madam C, to give her speech.
Good morning, everyone. Hand, foot, and mouth disease (HFMD) is a common infection in children that causes sores called ulcer inside or around their mouths and a rash of bleeders on their hands, feet, legs, or buttocks. Take these steps to lower the chance of infection. Wash your hands carefully, especially after wiping your nose. Keep your hands clean. Cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze or cough. Clean and disinfect surfaces and shared items like toys and doorknobs. Don't hug or kiss someone who has hand, foot, and mouth disease. Don't share cups. Ask your doctor in advance about the known symptoms. If you experience symptoms such as a fever or sore throat, please stay home from school. It's best to avoid contact with others. This can help you avoid spreading the disease to others. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam C. With that, the assembly has come to an end. Thank you, everyone.